There we go. There we go. Fish on. Come here. Got him. Nice. No time for the net on that one. He was coming in hot. Hit that scum frog sloppy toad. It's the color. Good way to start the morning right there. Probably 19 incher, I'd say. Get my measuring board out real quick and see what we're working with. "19 inches. All right. Good fish, guys. Gonna snap a quick photo real quick for the measuring board with my phone and then get a release on her. All right, guys, caught a nice one, 19 inches, just at 3 pounds. Thank you, girl. Got another one on the frog, guys. As soon as I put that black frog on, I think that might be a good sign. Probably about 17 inches, I'd say. Get my board out real quick and give it a measure. 16 inches. Got one. Got him on that trailer hook. Some of my swim baits, guys, I'll put a paddle tail swim bait on, and that'll kind of eliminate the need for one of those trailer hooks because you'll get a better hookup ratio. Well, this one came with the trailer hook on it, so I just left it on. Nice little 12-incher. It's a strong one. Oh crap. Got it. Yes. That was a strong fish. Holy crap. Nice one. I saw it come up and make a wake on the surface. So I tossed my frog in there, twitched it a couple times, and this big girl came up and ate it, man. She's thick. Thick. Not the time for that to mess up. It's alright. Let's get the measuring board out real quick. Give you guys a peek on how big this fish is. So this fish is going to go 19.25. Alright guys, it's got a 19.25, 3.5 pounds. Very good looking bass. We're going to release it now. Thank you, girl. Awesome. Big one. Oh, come on, got it. Yes. Oh, crap. Let's reverse real quick before things get out of hand. Man, look how they're eating that frog. Gone. Dude, that's like another 19-incher. I just gotta keep the measuring board in front of me. I have to keep moving all this crap every time. So this one's gonna go 18.25. 18.25. She weighed 3 1/4. Nice and thick. Looks like she's kind of spawning out. Got some blood on her. Thank you, girl. Got one. Nice. Adding to the limit. So this spinnerbait, from what I've noticed, I'll catch fish a little more frequently on it, but they're not going to be the size I'm looking for the most part. I've caught one good fish in this lake on a spinnerbait. Oh, he's tangled up in the net good. This one's actually got some length to it. That was gonna be a big one. Whew. 14-incher on that brush pile. And maybe, I don't have my fish finder on me, but I've been here enough to know that I think that brush pile is roughly 8-10 foot of water. There we go. Got him on the second time. Yes. Man, these fish are strong. He missed it in that little pile right there, so I hurried up and got it back to me. Made that cast a second time and he nailed it. Another nice long, probably 19-incher. Man, these 19-inchers are getting identical. Nothing to complain about for sure. $18.5. I wish it was 19. Alright guys, just caught another 18.5-incher. Weighed a 2.98 pound, pretty much 3-pounder, just 0.02 away from a 3-pounder. I'm gonna go ahead and get a release on her. There she goes.